Hello, dear friends. This is the InStyle Knitting Studio. In this lesson, we will master the principle of crocheting single crochet stitches. I will note that single crochet stitches are worked into the stitch. They are worked through the back loop as well as through the front loop. Let's go through everything step by step. I have crocheted a chain of 10 chain stitches. We learned how to do this in previous lessons. I will leave a link below the video. To transition to the next row, we will make one chain stitch for lifting. Now, let's see how to crochet a single crochet stitch. We insert the hook into the second stitch of the chain. Here is our first, and here is the second. We insert the hook into the second stitch, as the first is our lifting stitch. We grab the working yarn and pull it through. We now have 2 stitches on the hook. Again, we grab the working yarn from the index finger and pull it through both stitches on the hook. Here we have our first single crochet stitch completed. Let's continue. We insert the hook into the next stitch of the chain. We grab the working yarn and pull it through. There are 2 stitches on the hook. We grab the working yarn from the index finger and pull it through both stitches on the hook. And we continue. We insert the hook into the next stitch of the chain. We pull the working yarn through. Again, we grab the working yarn and pull it through both stitches on the hook. This is how regular single crochet stitches are worked. I will finish to the end of the row. In the next row, we will crochet single crochet stitches into the stitch. At the end of the row, we will make one chain stitch for lifting to transition to the next row. Now let's take a closer look at our stitches. Here we have each column consisting of a leg and a loop. The loop is at the top. Here it is, the loop. This is how it looks from above, in the form of a braid. That is, each loop consists of 2 half loops. Here is one half loop, the one closer to us is the front loop. The one further away is the back loop. Let's move on to the next row. Here we made one chain stitch and will turn the work. Let's crochet this row with single crochet stitches into the loop. That is, we will insert the hook under both half loops. How do we do this? We insert the hook under both half loops. We grab the working yarn with our index finger and pull it through. Again, we grab the working yarn and pull it through the 2 loops on the hook. Once more, we insert the hook under both half loops. We grab the working yarn and pull it through. Again, we grab the yarn and pull it through the 2 loops. If the description does not specify whether to crochet into the front or back loop, we will crochet into both. I will continue to the end of the row. This is how it turned out for us. Now let's make one chain stitch for the rise, turn the work, and crochet the next row with single crochet stitches into the front half loop. This is how we insert the hook from bottom to top under the front half loop. The front one is closer to us. We grab the working yarn, pull it through, and crochet a regular single crochet stitch. Again, we insert the hook into the front half loop from bottom to top. We grab the working yarn and pull it through again. We grab the working yarn and pull it through the 2 loops on the hook. I will crochet to the end of the row. Let's make one chain stitch for the rise. We will turn the work and try the next row. 2 crochet single crochet stitches into the back half loop. We insert the hook from top to bottom and catch it. We catch the back loop, pull the working yarn, and make a regular single crochet. We yarn over again, insert the hook, and catch the back loop. We pull the working yarn. We make a single crochet like this. We catch the back loop, pull the yarn, and we make a single crochet. I continue to the end of the row. I have crocheted several rows of single crochets into the stitch, that is, through both loops. This is what the fabric looks like. This fabric is made with single crochets through the front loop. And this is what the fabric looks like, made with single crochets through the back loop. I think we have grasped the essence. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments. Subscribe, like, and see you in the next classes. Bye bye.